back in Park City. Oh, shit. Yeah, don't fit. That's all sheetrock. Back here to install the furnace in the crawl space. No, I'm just gonna put it together up here first. And then once we get it put together, then we'll slide it on down to our crawl space. Let's get these. Got tape. You bring. Yeah, you gotta use the offset.
Oh, it's open for you.
Yeah, you gotta put the offset. Yeah. Gosh damn it. Well, we got a problem. So our coil is 17 wide. Our furnace is 14 wide. We did buy an offset. It was supposed to be offset. They gave us the wrong one. So we can't really set our furnace. We were gonna wash it in, but we don't have a bar fold. So now, drove 50 minutes up here, almost an hour drive. The whole point of coming here today is to set the furnace, hang it up, because they're ready to close that off, build the door so they can close it off and finish, and then get to paint. But we're holding them up because we need to hang and set our furnace in place. And then we get here, it doesn't go as planned. So we got to go back to our supply house. That's why you always check your materials before you leave the supply house, because this is what happens. You get here, a freaking hour drive. We get here and we can't even set the furnace. And so we're gonna go pick this furnace up. This offset, till we can come back and get this furnace set in place. This sucks because we're gonna be here late. Man, it is what it is. Gotta make it work. Gotta get it done, because we've already told the builder that we're gonna come in and set that furnace so they can move forward with what they need to do. I was gonna leave Brian here to get some work done, but we really can't. He really can't do anything because we have to have the furnace set in place to finish everything else. That needs to connect and live and we learn. Let's go grab this part. And up to Mountain Land. Alright. Let's get this box. Brian, return this and get the right one. You want to grab it? That box? We returned our offset. They did not have the one we needed, but we got a bar fold. This is like my third bar fold I've bought this year. The guys just keep taking them. So we're just gonna wash it in. It's gonna take a little longer than having the offset where it's already made. Just screw it in. Ready?
Oh, my time.
This is all we need, just the bar fold. Because they didn't have what we needed. Bam. Alright, I'm gonna head back up to Park City. Grab a drink first. Alright, we're back. Gotta go wash this in and go home. Let's go. Okay, getting my wash. Just got done cutting 3 of my pieces. Here's my side pieces. Just like that. And then I got this one for the bottom. Then I'll show you guys once I get it in with the coil. Let's go. So we got all the sides in. Now we just got this one side, the offset. I'm gonna make that real quick. Yeah, 1.7 here. Yep, 6. Alright, now we gotta cut this piece. And then we got my 1/2-inch bands. Alright, I'm gonna get this piece in. Like that. Gotta make sure we get it into our S-clips, both sides. So, hold it. Cut my corners off. Just like that. Alright, Amazon delivery. Oh shit! Gosh damn! Delivery came on time. Yeah, boy. And then gotta get a screw down here. Get nice and right, we got all our washers in. Brian's just working on taping it all the way around. Make sure it's nice and sealed. This is a horizontal system going in the crawl space. Yes, sir. Calling it a day. We just got 2 of our all threads up. Hey, time to go home. We started very late today, so we're gonna come early tomorrow, 5 a.m. Be here. Nah, stop it. Just kidding, but we'll be back tomorrow. Morning. First stop before we head up to Park City. We're stopping at a job with Johnny to walk it and see what we need to do and supplies needed. I think this is the, I don't know which one it is. Hopefully we're at the right building. Oh shit, I think it's that one. Hold on. That was the wrong door. Maybe it's this one. Sure, 819. Nope. One more. After 5 doors and attempts, we got the right one now. Oh, see. Here it is. It's just a commercial space. Gotta redo all of that duct. And I think we have to extend. Yeah, we have to extend the return duct. There is no return duct. So all that flex right there is return. There is no metal duct. So we gotta extend the duct down out to the side and down that way so we can reach the front. And then we just got our supply duct. Sweet, not bad. I think we got a total of 8 heat runs in this space and 4 return airs and 3 bathroom fans. Yes, sir. We're just waiting for Johnny. Just get here. Oh, there's Johnny. Morning. It's the office view for the day. This is the view from the job site. We're back at it again. Oh man, it's been a crazy morning, but here we are. I'm gonna get this going, so let's go. Alright, we got our all-terrain unistrut hung, so now we just gotta squeeze this bad boy down. Alright, ready? Lay this down. Slide up. Tell me what it is. Okay. Do I need to come down or you good? Oh, I can just scoot it from here. Come back. Sitting on there. We'll sit on the other two. It's sitting on the other end now. You ready? Good. Keep going. Keep it up over there. Yep, that's good. Woo! I got all my duct offset on the supply side connected. Now I'm working on my flues. Got my flues right here. Just running right above here. Down. And then we got Brian down there working on the return. Let's go. This was a very tight space to work with. It is what it is. It's part of working in crawl spaces. You gotta make it work. And as you can see over here, our flues are running right in front of our coil. It's the only way we can run it so we can get proper flow to our drain. And as you can see here as well, there's a board right there in front of our cover for the furnace where the blower motor pulls out. They are going to have to move that. This is it. That's it for today. We're done with this job. Everything done. We're out of here. Just cleaning up. Got Brian strapping down the bubble wrap. But that's it for this one. We out.